Alright, good day guys. Welcome back to Canon channel. Konnichiwa minasan. Canon channel desu. Hi. So today we got a package delivered. It arrives late, but then again finally it arrives. Alhamdulillah. So let's open it up and see what it is. Yeah, this is a mishandling of the postage service. Note to self: do not choose that postage service again. Never again. They just handle the package terribly. But enough of that. Let's see what it is. Yeah. Yeah, Gigabyte. 1660 Super OC 6 gig. Okay. Let's see. Well, nowadays I'm sure most of you that is in the same category, same field as I am, knows that this type of product is how should I say it, is it's not easy to get nowadays. Everywhere is sold out or out of stock almost everywhere. Most of you that is in the same field as I am. Well, from the article that I read online, Nvidia, I don't know about AMD, but Nvidia is running low on DDR6 memories chips. Well, because of the corona and everything and the COVID, and well, production stopped somewhere some time ago, and that is probably why the how should we say it, the production of the materials chips are low in stocks, low in production number. Probably somewhere between this year's first quarter of the year, the how should we say it? The production of GPUs will be lacking for time being. Well, it's just an article that I read online. Why is it it's so difficult to get the box out? Uh, and just make a cut below here to make it easier to get it out. Well, this is the first GPU I'm getting in a long time. been hunting been hunting GPU for a long time. It's well, it's GPU is hard to come by in this time. Well, I'll just make do with whatever I can. Is it stuck? No, it's not stuck. Yes, it's stuck. Okay. The cell tape is not nice. The cell tape is sticking. Whatever. So this is the box. Win for 6 gigs of overclock edition. Key 1660 Super Gigabyte. This is the first Gigabyte GPU Gigabyte that I bought. Let's open it up and see. Yeah, would you look at that? Let's open it up. This is mostly looking new. Still new, I think. I'm guessing it's still new. It's not used. Well, currently there's a lot of problems with scalping, GPU scalping, and so on and so forth. Mainly on GPU. So sometimes people strike the price up too high. So sometimes we cannot guess when looking online. We cannot guess is it still new or it's used, because the pricing is ridiculously high at the moment. Wow, look at that. Would you look at that? Gigabyte GeForce GTX. Oh, upside down. Yeah, you got six, no, not six, 8 pins. 1660 Super revision 1. It says here GV, I'm thinking Gigabyte, N166 SoC, I'm guessing it's 1660 Super overclock, 6 gigs. Can see HDMI, yeah, HDMI, I'm thinking HDMI. This one is, no, this one is HDMI. This one is, I'm not sure what it is. DP is what? DVI? I'm guessing DVI. Probably DVI. So let's take a look at the pins. Okay, nice. All right, it's plastic. It's plastic, probably to cut the cost down. Looking nice. Oh, and by the way, the back plate is plastic. Yeah, plastic. Nice. Does it have any CD? Okay, CD. Nobody use CDs anymore. This one is what? Quick guide. Quick guide. Yeah. Where's the receipt? There's no receipt. Well, that put aside. Let's put that aside. So this is the GPU. Gigabyte 1660. Gigabyte 1660. Yeah. Okay. So this fan swings this way, and this fan swings this way. Ah, okay. So 6 GB. Any other information? Powered by blah blah blah. Liquid cooling system, blah blah blah. Any other information? Okay. Alternate spinning fan. Okay. Heat pipe direct touch. Okay. Gigabyte. Minimum system requirement. Okay. In China, Gigabyte Technologies is Taiwan. Okay, Gigabyte is from Taiwan. Yeah. The backplate not only provides an aesthetical shape, but also enhances the structure of the graphics card to provide complete protection. This is good. Protection backplate. Gigabyte reinforced cooling system. Okay. So this is the simple unboxing of the Gigabyte 1660 Super 6 gigs OC edition, reinforced OC edition. So I'll be tinkering with this in my rig. Alright, so that's it guys. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and bye bye guys.